Here's how to tie the water bend knot. It's a very commonly used knot for creating fixed loops for rock climbing. You can also tie it using webbing. The process is completely identical, but for illustration purposes, I'll show it with rope instead. Start by tying a loose overhand knot near the end of the first part of the rope. Then retrace the knot in the other direction with the other end of the rope. When tightened, it should look something like this. If used with webbing, before tightening, make sure that all the straps are neatly aligned and that they aren't crossing one another. You should also keep the ends rather long because as you put weight on the loop, the ends can shorten over time. It's safe enough to be used for critical situations like climbing, as long as you keep an eye on the ends to make sure that they aren't too short. Another safer alternative is to use a double fisherman's bend. To learn other useful knots, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.